Our unmanned aerial systems carry out complex surveillance and security operations, allowing us to know the facility status in real time. The Autonomous Perimeter Surveillance System enables our vehicles to go over a pre-established perimeter while they capture images of the facility. In order to fulfill this task, we selected the desired path for the security round from the control station. We define the waypoints the multirotor will have to overpass. The vehicle takes off autonomously and completes the chosen route. The system is supplied with navigation assistance. If the multirotor detects an obstacle in its path, it will avoid it. Its security distance system allows it to preserve a safety space with buildings and obstacles. The system reports the facility status in real time. With computer vision algorithms, the vehicle is able to detect intruders or anomalies. In that case, the aircraft sends an alarm to the operator station. When the round is completed, the multirotor lands on the established point. This system optimizes the security tasks at the facility and increases the response speed, as well as the security of the operation. A queued system offers an immediate response in case there is an alarm in the facility. When the system detects an alert, the vehicle moves autonomously towards the location. The operator monitors the mission from the control station, being able to take control of the vehicle if necessary. A queued system offers the situation status in real time. When the multirotor reaches the target, it sends images of the alarm to the control station. It also registers the location and the time of the incidents. In this way, a fast and safe response is obtained in case of a potential threat. The advantages of a queued system are the reduction of risks, the improvement of the response time, and the report of extended information in real time.